It's really important to take time on and time off, but that isn't as clear a boundary as it might initially seem. Time on can be anything from silently working in a library and concentrating really hard, to working in a cafe or in your room with friends.
Time out is just anything that isn't academic work. I think it's whatever you want it to be and whatever excites you. For me, that was a lot of societies, but as I went on through my degree, it was just more sitting in a room, being with my friends. You know, we'd have meals together. I really like baking, so I'd sometimes make a cake for them, or we'd get together and play cards, or just chat. Sometimes just sitting in a room and chatting is the best thing that you can do. I think it's really good to also get out of your space, so not just always being in the library or always being in your bedroom. Here in the SU Lounge, this is open like all the time for students to come and hang out in. But there's also cafes, bars, across the colleges, and there's so much that's just available. I also really think it's important to kind of just enjoy being in the city, going for walks around, going to see a show at the theatre.
No one's going to get that balance exactly perfect, and it'll take time to get into the swing of things. But the closer you can be to making sure that you're taking time on and time off in a way that feels healthy, the better you'll be. In fact, if your body is telling you not to work because you can't concentrate, you're tired, and you're finding things more difficult than usual, that's probably a good sign that it is actually time to stop. Because in an 8-week term, what you'll produce at the end, if you just try and power through, won't make you happy, you won't be proud of it, and you'll be more tired and more exhausted than when you started. But if you take time off and say, actually, I can't concentrate right now, I need to do something else for a little bit, your mental health will be better, your work will be better, and your time at Cambridge will be better.